Hi guys, today using one of our BestCode continuous inkjet printers, we're going to be talking about the Calibrate screen. And right now we're on the home screen, and to get to the Calibrate screen, we're just going to hit service. The service screen is for an operator to adjust the machine settings and perform service on the machines. So the first thing you'll see is modulation. Modulation controls the amount of voltage applied to the drop generator to produce drops. So we could turn it up or down. And we have another video that shows you how and when to adjust your modulation. Okay. Next we have pressure. Increases or decreases the pressure set point. And we could do that with these arrows to fine tune it. Factory, we have 40 PSI, and that's pretty standard what we're looking for, unless you're printing upwards. And if you're printing up, we do around 42. Charge, you can increase or decrease the charge set point, okay? Depending on what nozzle plate we're using, we have 65 micron or 75 micron. So this machine has a 65 micron, so we're using the charge of 65. And if you had the 75, of course, your charge would be set to 75. Mod frequency controls the frequency of volts applied to the drop generator. Okay. Nothing really to worry about. That's set but in the factory. Okay. Errors. Disables ability of errors that to occur while the jet is running. It will only operate in the mode if you shut the errors off for 30 minutes, and then you'd have to reset it. And the same thing with phasing. Disabling the phasing of the drops, that will only operate for 30 minutes, and then you'd have to reset it. Okay? So on that screen, that's about it. Other than the fact that you have your pressure where you can read and set. You have your phase point, your quality point, your phase threshold. Viscosity status right now we have none because we're not running our head. Right here our target is 4.5 centipoid, and again right here it says our actual is 0 because we're not using our print head. The temperatures of our print head is listed here. And the electrical inside the box, it's also measured there at the Calibrate screen. So that's pretty much it with the calibration screen. Thank you very much.